Okay, this is my second video on Tomorrow's Gamers. This is my L.A Noire unboxing video. So let's see what we got here. Got some negatives. I already opened these, so I already beat the game. I figured, I had time to make a video. Just some negatives. I have streets and stuff. Okay. My receipt. I also pre-ordered it, so here's the guide. Just talking about like ranks and stuff. Pre-order copy. Got the Naked City and the Badge Pursuit Challenge. Here, you want my number? Here it is. Too bad I already used it. So there's 3 discs. Disc 1, disc 2, and disc 3. There's just the back. So yeah. Just working on some videos right now, so bye. Peace out.